Monire Mosa, Tampokererani. On this channel, Chitumbuka na Loreni, I support you to learn Chitumbuka. Chitumbuka is a language that we speak in Malawi, but also in other neighboring countries like Zambia, Tanzania, Congo, and places like that. So it is beneficial. It's scientifically proven that learning a language helps with our memory and brain and things like that. So I offer this on my YouTube channel here for free, and I appreciate everyone who has signed up. But for those of you who haven't signed up yet, please hit the subscribe button so you can get a notification each time I make a video. Without wasting much of your time, let us get right into it. So this is a short video. We are looking at days of the week. So days, it's Mazuva, Mazuwa. As you can see here, days Mazuva. Mazuva is plural. Zuva, day, is singular. So Zuva limoza means one day. Limoza means one. Zuva, day. Days of the week. Mazuva ya pa Sabata. Week is Sabata. Sabata is also Sabbath because our week finishes on a Sunday. So that Sunday, as you will see shortly, Sunday is Sabata. And the week is also, by the time you reach Sunday, you know you have finished Sabata. You finished the week. So Sabata can mean Sunday, but it also means week. Of, yeah, the pa. Mazuva, ya pa Sabata, days of the week. Okay. And as I've said, singular, day, zuva, limoza, one day, days, mazuva, yanandi. Yanandi is many. So mazuva, yanandi. So you can say mazuva ya tatu, mazuva ya pili, mazuva ya nkhondi. Yeah, you know, like how many days is it? 4 days, 3 days, 2 days, or 1 day. Okay. 1 day, zuva limoza. Week, sabata limoza. Weeks, masabata yanandi. So we've added ma. Most of the things, when we add ma, it means we are talking about many. Sabata imoza ama sabata yanandi. Many weeks. Masabata yalinga ya tatu. Masabata yalinga ya pili. Masabata yalinga ya nai. You know, so the way we are talking, we talk about Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday is also like we are counting. Pamandi, yes, it sounds the same word. Monday, meaning pamandi, means you are talking about Monday. Tuesday, pachiviri. Chiviri can also mean the second one, yeah? Or two, chiviri. Wednesday, pachitatu. Chitatu is 3. Chitatu, 3. So that's Wednesday. Pachinai, Thursday. Friday, pachinkondi. Chinkondi is, we say chinkondi, but it's also a borrowed word from Ngonde people. Chinkondi, that's what I was told, that it's not Chitumbuka, it's Chinkondi. So Chinkondi is another language that we speak in my same district where I come from, but it's a different dialect, Chinkondi, but it also means Friday. Pachisulu, Saturday. Pasabata, Sunday. Sunday can also, people can also say das litua, which just means the spiritual day. Litua is white, but white in this sense, it doesn't mean white, like the opposite of black. No, it's to do with the spiritual. As in pure spiritual. So das litua, because you will also hear when I'm talking about white and say we say chituva or lituva, this has nothing to do with white, but it has everything to do with the spiritual. So everything spiritual is it's kind of like clean. It can mean like clean, but also not clean. Pure is more closer to the meaning, but spiritual, I think, is the right meaning. Yeah, because the uh, majority of Tumbuka people, we go to churches. We are Christians. I'm not sure if there are also people who are non-Christian, but majority and the experience that I had, majority of the people were or are Christians. So this was a short video just to go through the day. So because it's short, you can always watch it over and over just to make sure that at least you can know days of the week. Monday, pa Monday, Tuesday, pa Chibiri, Wednesday, pa Chitatu, Thursday, pa Chinai, Friday, pa Chimpondi, and Saturday, pa Chisulu, and lastly, Sunday, pa Sabata. Okay, so let me stop share. If you have any questions or comments or something that you want me to put together, please do let me know in the comments. I read all of your comments. Why I'm also bringing in days, because my next video, I'll be talking about months. So after that, I'll be talking about what I'm doing every month of the 2026. Why I'm putting all these together is because when I was making the last video, I talked about what I did, what I accomplished in 2025. So now we are talking about what my goals are in 2026, but in the language of Chitumbuka. Yeah, because first and foremost, I think in Chitumbuka. So it's always good for me as well to articulate that in my language, while I'm also teaching you how you can learn the language as well. Yeah, so I am excited, and the plan is that although it's kind of like I am starting to preempt the goals for 2026, which is a different video that is coming up this week also, is that I'm planning to put out 90 videos in a row, one every single day for 90 days. So this is my one of my goals that I want to do this year. And I will do it. So get ready for 90 videos in a row, this being your first, if you are just starting from here. But yeah, so they are coming up. All right. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumb up. I always appreciate that. Taruta, paweme, yeo yeo, tawonga. Bye.